Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to open disk management in Windows 11. So if you want to open disk management in Windows 11, there are two methods by which you can easily open the disk management. First method is you have to just take your cursor to start button here and right click. Okay, so when you right click here, you will see option disk management. Just click on it and your disk management uh, will be opened in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, now second method is just click on Windows plus R. Press Windows plus R and now here you have to type disk mgmt.msc and click on OK. So now you will see that disk management has been opened. So like this you can open disk management in Windows. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.